Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you what is Ensemble learning and how does it work with examples. So let's start this video. So Ensemble learning. Example, I have to make a decision. Should I buy a new PC? Yes or no? So I will ask with one people, okay? On the basis of his decision, we will buy PC or not, okay? So in machine learning, this is done by one prediction algorithm, but the problem is that we don't get the most accurate answer, okay? Any algorithm, it could be KNN for example, but the problem here is that we don't get the accurate answer, okay? So here come Ensemble learning. So for most accurate decision, we ask for multiple people and then we see which decision is more. So decision should be anything, yes, some people give yes, yeah, no, anything, and the most common decision will be yes, for example. So we go with it. So Ensemble learning is group of prediction algorithm like KNN, linear logistic regression and more. So they each predict the result and we take their vote and we go with the most voted one. But it requires more computational cost because we are using here multiple algorithm. But when we use one algorithm, the cost is less. But there is no problem because we are getting the most accurate decision, okay? So Ensemble learning is very popular in machine learning because it gives the most accurate decision. It uses multiple learning algorithms to obtain better predictive performance, okay? So here we have our data. So this is the data. This is the data set. According to this data set, we come to the conclusion that should a person buy a PC or not. This is the data of multiple people, okay? For example, Virat own a PC age 36 and he own the latest model and his budget is high. Should he buy a new PC? No. And here we have multiple people data, okay? And here we have that data, okay? And we give it to KNN for example. And it gives us, for example, yes or no, anything, okay? Yes or no, for example, it gives us yes and this gives no, yes, no, okay? Yes, no, okay? And we go with one decision. For example, KNN give yes, so we go with yes, okay? But the problem here is that this is simple method and this is weak learning. And if we want strong learning and accurate decision, we go with Ensemble learning. Here we have that data same. So for example, KNN gives us yes, okay? KNN gives us yes, this gives yes, this gives yes, and this gives no, this gives no, okay? So the most common decision here is yes. So here we will combine this all, okay? And we will look at the most common decision. So the most common decision here is yes. So we will go with yes. So this is the most accurate one. So that's why we use Ensemble learning. This is strong learning, okay? And there are types of Ensemble learning. For example, bootstrap aggregating, boosting, stacking, voting. And we will look at each of them in another video, okay? So this is what Ensemble learning is and how does it work, okay?
If you want me to make a video according to your request or answers to your questions, you should click on the top link in the description. That will take you to my school community, which is made for people who love machine learning. By doing so, you will get exclusive videos there, videos according to your request. If you have any request on video, I will make the video for you. I will answer all your questions. By doing so, you will support me on this channel because this is my only full-time job and I am not doing anything else. Thank you.